We guide you through how to enable camera on Android and fix Android camera not working. So the first thing you need to do is to open Settings, scroll to Apps or Applications, find Camera, tap Permissions, and make sure camera, microphone, and storage are all set to allow, because missing permissions are the most common reason the Android camera won't open. Next, go back and tap Storage, then clear the cache only, not data, to remove temporary glitches. After that, restart your phone to refresh the system. If the camera still isn't working, open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, find Camera Access, and confirm it's turned on system-wide. Then, check if another app like Instagram or WhatsApp is using the camera in the background and close it. Also, make sure your phone software is updated by going to Settings, Software Update, and installing any pending updates. If the issue continues, boot your phone into safe mode to check if a third-party app is blocking the camera, and uninstalling any recent added camera-related apps. Finally, if none of these steps work, reset app preferences from Settings without deleting your data.